accident. Oh, shit.
Hold on, somebody's gonna hit us. We're gonna get hit.
Back up, Janet. Back up a little bit. Man, I got this on video. Holy cow, dude, I got this on video.
There's no telling how fast a truck's gonna go.
Look at this. Holy shit.
Oh my God. There's a car behind us now. I can't back up anymore.
We're stuck here now.
These people need to get the fuck out of the road, man.
That dude flashing us saved us, man. You know that?